Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the MUCAR VO7 Bi-Directional OBD2 scanner. If you're a car owner or a DIY mechanic, this device might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around as we dive into its features, capabilities, and overall performance. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's talk about the design. The MUCAR VO7 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, fitting comfortably in your hand. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, whether you're working in the garage or on the go. MUCAR VO7 Professional OBD2 Scanner provide Android 84-core CPU, 2+32GB storage, powerful and smooth operation with the online upgrade via Wi-Fi and VCI-BD 5.0. Diagnostic, intelligent diagnostic scanning of all systems, auto VINs, module information, red and clear fault codes, view real-time data streams, special functions, coding, and more. Using the VO7 is simple. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, turn on the ignition, and select the function you want to use. The on-screen instructions will guide you through the process. In addition to its bidirectional capabilities, the MUCAR VO7 also has a wide range of other features, including 7-inch touchscreen display. The VO7 has a large, bright touchscreen display that makes it easy to see and navigate the menus. OEM-level all systems diagnostics. This scan tool can scan all of your car's systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. 28+ special service functions. These functions include things like oil resets, throttle body alignments, and brake pad relearn. 160+ car brand coverage. This scan tool works with a wide variety of car makes and models. 3-year free updates. You'll get free updates for the first 3 years, so you'll always have the latest software. One of the standout features of the MUCAR VO7 is its bidirectional capability. This means it not only reads diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, but also allows you to send commands to your vehicle's systems for testing and troubleshooting. It's like having a direct line of communication with your car's brain. Navigating through the scanner's menu is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the intuitive design that makes accessing information and running tests a straightforward process. Now, let's talk compatibility. The MUCAR VO7 supports a wide range of vehicles, both domestic and foreign, manufactured from 1996 onwards. This means whether you have a sedan, SUV, or a hybrid, chances are this scanner will work for you. And it also supports 17 languages, so there is no reading barrier to use. With its OBD2 compatibility, the MUCAR VO7 ensures that you get accurate and detailed information about your vehicle's performance, emissions, and more. Here are some pros and cons about MUCAR VO7. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, fast and responsive performance, durable build quality, free updates for 3 years, optional add-ons, 2-year warranty. Cons: learning curve, limited online resources, no lifetime updates. In conclusion, the MUCAR VO7 Bidirectional OBD2 scanner is a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their vehicle's diagnostics. Its bidirectional capabilities, user-friendly interface, and wide compatibility make it a standout in the world of automotive scanners. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having the MUCAR VO7 in your toolbox can save you time and money in the long run. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching and happy scanning!